Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We are doing another mug cake today. I've never tried this because I want it to be experimental. I want to kind of get my reaction to it. I think it's more entertaining that way, and then I can kind of give my recommendation on it. But today's mug cake is a peanut butter mug cake, and it looked pretty good. And what I like about this one is that it's only 3 ingredients. Let's go ahead, see how it is. You only need 3 ingredients for this mug cake: brown sugar, an egg, and peanut butter. Or, if you want some extra flavor, vanilla extract. And now this is the fake stuff because I'm not spending $20 for a tiny bottle of real vanilla extract. That's just a ripoff for a mug cake at least. Now there are 2 things you can try. So this recipe up top is the one that the video says to do. But after looking through the comments, people said, actually, do this. This recipe on the bottom is a little bit better. So that's the one I'm gonna try. And it's that easy. So let's go ahead and do it. Well, it certainly smells good. Oh, that smells amazing. Nice peanut buttery scent. Now, I don't know if this is gonna end up making a difference. In the video, they used creamy peanut butter, but I used crunchy, so you're definitely gonna get those little chunks in there. I don't know if that's gonna affect it or not, but that just so you guys are aware. It looks really good, and 1 minute was definitely long enough. Well, is it as good as it looks and smells? Let's find out. That was threatening. I'm gonna do that. So it's nice and light. Definitely, nice chunky bits of peanut butter in there. Very light and fluffy, not too dense. Let's try it. Oh my God. That is really good. Not gonna lie, that's way better than I expected this to turn out. It's so moist. It's not dry, it's moist, but it's not too dense. The consistency easily is perfect. Look at that, you can see it's still got a little bit of like moisture. Well, I don't know if that's the right word, but it's also nice, light, and fluffy. This is really good. Oh my God. Definitely try this for yourself, guys. It takes less than 5 minutes to make. It's just that easy. Thank you for watching. Recommend this 100%, and I'll see you next time. Peace.